Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So today the lovely folks over at Opove have gone ahead and sent me their new M3 Pro with 2600 milliamp hour battery, 24 volt brushless motor, and 27-minute dynamic balance and quiet technology. So this is their brand new model. I have their old M3 Pro, which is fantastic, but this is their updated model and we're going to take a look at it. So we got some of the features. It's accurate and durable, environmentally friendly, hidden vent, 12mm stroke length, and minimalistic design, which is fantastic. As you may or may not know, I've done multiple products for them, and I could vouch for them. Their products are great. I still use the original M3 Pro every single day after my workouts and hikes. So I know all their products are great, but today we'll test it. We'll see, is it worth it? Alright, now that we got this thing unboxed, let's get it unzipped and take a peek. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Hold on, let's slide it to the side and open it so you can see it in all of its beautiful glory. Wow. Okay, first things first, let's grab the manual and just do a quick brief look through. Okay, got attachments. Alright, cool. Pretty much know all this. Alright, let's go ahead and throw that to the side. Next up is the charger, and this is awesome because this is a lot smaller and looks a lot more sleek and elegant than the original charger. Let's show you that actually. This is the original charger that I had. Look how big and bulky it is. This is a lot smaller, a lot better. They even have the brand name on it, which is great, so you can identify that it goes to this massage gun. Alright, next up are the attachments. You get this lovely little bag here, which is also helpful. It's a lot easier than putting them in slots. You can just throw them all into a bag. Alright, let's see the attachments here. First off is the bullet for targeted precise muscle, hands, feet, and other trigger points. Next we have the shovel for shoulders and muscles. After that is the fork, and that's for the Achilles tendon and both of the spine muscles, which is very lovely. Okay, next we have the ball for larger muscles, chest, and backs. Okay, and next is the flat for large muscles such as legs and hips. And last but not least is the cushion for muscles near bones. Very nice, soft, and cushiony. Great set of attachments here, but let's get to the main M3 Pro. And I gotta say, it is elegant. Very has a nice grip on the handle, smooth to the touch. I like this new display here. So there must be some type of maybe battery indicator light on there. The material that they use is a lot nicer. Doesn't slip out of your hand as easily. Got the new improved vent on the top. That's even quieter than before. 2600 milliamp hour battery, 25.2 volts. Got your on and off switch on the bottom. That's also where you charge it. Yeah, you have a speed indicator, looks like on the left, and a battery indicator on the right. Let's turn it on, see if we see it. So my light is kind of shining in on it, so you're not able to see the light, but I will show you with the light off in a little bit what it looks like. You can slightly see it, but it's definitely brighter than that. Okay, let's go ahead and throw on an attachment, see how easy it goes on. Make sure it's in there, and then we power it on. Oh, fantastic. Very smooth. Look at that. You can't even see it. So this gun does have 5 speeds and 5. And it's so quiet. Barely any vibration in the hand. This thing is absolutely incredible. Yeah, this is not going to slip out of your hand. So feel how snug that is when you pull it off. These attachments do not come out of the gun at all. Very good quality. They got like a nice O-ring there that keeps it in place. You could just hear the sound. That thing is in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and just charge it up, and then we'll start playing with it. So here's the light. I turned my light off so you guys can see. You actually got a nice blue neon light for the battery when you turn it on, and the speed indicator, which is great, so you can see what level you're on. Alright, now I'm going to do a quick little workout session in front of you guys. Get a little tired here so that I could use my new gun. Okay, now that I've got my workout in, let's go ahead. So I'm just going to start with the ball. This is what I usually use just for my thighs and quads. Use them for my calves, back. It's kind of the universal attachment I pretty much use for everything. Feels absolutely fantastic. Seems to be faster than the original, but more smooth as well. Now I'm using the bullet for targeted areas, especially areas like my quad. And you're definitely going to feel this, so you definitely can use whatever speed you would like. But this attachment is really good for specific areas. Now I'm going to use the fork. This is really good for the Achilles and the spine. I also use it for my calves. This is where it comes in really handy, right underneath where the calves are. This is fantastic. You could see it rippling right through my muscles. Okay, and with that said, we're going to go ahead and end the video. I expected nothing less than what we got with Opove. Their products are fantastic. I already knew this one was going to be fantastic as well. It just keeps getting better and better with them. It's just amazing. And I'm not saying that because they gave me the product. I do use this every day. Here's my original that I always pull out and show you. The one I use every day. It's got a lot of wear and tear, but it still works. Fantastic even after a couple years. But once again, here's their new one, and it's even better. And with the multitude of attachments they got, I'm a happy man. But with that said, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to continue working out, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.